Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. In today's video, we're going to wrap up the videos in my playlist of how I zone clean. I want to have a playlist dedicated to new subscribers who are interested in following my program. As you know, my program is loosely based after the Fly Lady system. I once closely followed her system, but throughout the years I began tweaking it. What I've developed is a simplified version that keeps my house tidy. My goal is to teach you my program, knowing that its simplified method of routines will have you reclaiming peace in your home in no time. Let's recap what we've learned by starting from square one and building solid morning and evening routines. This is my weekly cleaning schedule that I follow. Many of you have received this printout along with a blank one for you to fill out. Now, if you haven't gotten one, feel free to email me and I will send one along to you. The first step in the process is to develop a good morning and evening routine. Now, these routines will change throughout your life. My morning and evening routine looks completely different today than what it did when I was a mother with young kids, or when I was a homeschool mom, or when I was a single mom working in a salon, or again when I was remarried and raising 7 kids. And now, as a grandma, with at least 1 or 2 grandkids in my home on any given day, and now that I have a pool, it's usually several grandkids here. Whatever chapter you're in, a solid morning and evening routine will help to keep the chaos cut down and allow peace to fill your home. Now, on your copy of the weekly schedule, I left your morning and evening routine blank, so that way you can fill it in. But it doesn't matter what chapter of your life you're in, a good morning routine needs to include making your bed, tidying up the bathroom, unloading the dishwasher, and pulling out tonight's dinner. These 4 tasks alone will help your evening routine, and from there you can add on other tasks that will help you. Your evening routine should be set up to help your morning routine run smoothly. Now, I believe that should always include loading your dishwasher, cleaning your kitchen, and review your planner for what you need to get set out to make your morning routine run more smoothly. Now, if you have children, this could include having their backpacks or diaper bags ready and set out by the door. It could also include having their clothes laid out, including their socks and their shoes. Again, the tasks that you add to your evening routine should be tasks that help your morning run smoothly. Now, let me add in here that if you have small children in your home, you might want to go ahead and throw in an afternoon routine. I use my afternoon routine to help my kids to tidy up their toys and their projects. This will help to reset your home before the stressful times of making dinner and getting your kids to bed. Once your kids reach a certain age, it's important to have them pitch in with these routines. You don't want to get in the habit of taking care of everything after they go to bed. Doing this will stress you out, and is it really fair to your children to not give them the tools that they need to learn how to pitch in and keep a peaceful, tidy home? So train them young to begin following these routines. So I always suggest that once you build your routines, that you follow them for a couple of weeks. That way it develops into a habit, and then you'll move on to step 2. So now that you've developed a solid morning and evening routine, you can go ahead and add in the power hour. The power hour is a set of tasks that you do for 1 hour a week. These tasks will help keep your home tidy. On the weekly cleaning schedule, I have already added in power hour tasks. I am confident that these tasks work together to help keep your house tidy between zone cleaning the spaces. Since I have my home divided into 7 zones, it can take a full 7 weeks for me to be able to come back to a zone to do a thorough dusting of that zone. So the weekly quick dust during the power hour will cut down on the amount of dust that accumulates in my home. And the same thing goes with shining my glass and my mirrors. During the power hour, I'm shining these areas once a week, just as I'm quick mopping my floors. Now, you need to go and watch the video. It will explain how I get all these things done in only an hour. There is a trick to this. Your next step would be to develop your daily tasks. Now, I left your copy blank so that way you can add in the task that works for you in your current stage of life. I like to have one day that is done outside the home, like grocery shopping, going to the P.O. box, doctor's appointments, and washing my car. I also designate a day for my power hour and a free day to catch up on anything that was missed during the week. I know that this seems like it can be a lot of cleaning to do, so I'm going to break down a day in my life to show you the amount of cleaning that I'm actually doing. Now, of course, time is subjective and it depends on several factors, like the current state of your home, the amount of space that you're cleaning, and the amount of dependents that you're caring for. But in general, let's take a quick look at my day. On Monday, I wake up and I do my morning routine. Now, each of these tasks takes me about 5 to 10 minutes, some even less, like pulling out what's for dinner. Then, since it's Monday, I come up here and I do my power hour. This right here are my power hour tasks. I complete those. Then I'm done for the day until the evening. Then I do my evening routine. Then on Tuesday, I wake up again and I do my morning routine. I check my schedule. On Tuesdays, I do planning day and fridge. I do those, and then I do my evening routine. So then you may be wondering where I fit in zone cleaning, since I don't have it listed here in the daily tasks. Now, typically, I will put my zone cleaning either in the Friday, which is a free Friday or catch up, or I'll do it on Sunday. You might want to go ahead and put it in your daily tasks, but I've gotten so used to doing it that it only takes me an hour to do. So I either put it in Friday or Sunday. Sometimes I switch my zones around, and when I do, I like to print or draw out a new floor plan. What I do is I color code it to correlate with the numbers of my zones. So I'm going to do that here for you so you can see how I do this in this home. Now you'll see an area on the bottom right that I don't color in. That is a casita in my home that my husband's mother lives in. And then there's another area in the middle left. That's my husband's office. He cares for that space. It has important things in there and I don't want to be responsible for it. So the garage, you'll see that at the bottom left, that my husband and I work on together at the beginning of every season. So this is how the program works and how following it's going to keep your house tidy. Now the key word here is keep. Following this program will keep your house tidy. This will also help you from not having to run around and clean your house frantically when someone is on their way over unexpectedly. This will also keep you from having to spend a whole day on your weekend cleaning your whole house only to know that tomorrow it's going to be a mess again. Friends, following this schedule is all about maintaining all of your hard work that you've done during your zone cleaning. There is no reason to live in chaos. Now, I'm not talking about living in perfection either, because that's bondage in another way. This is about reclaiming peace in your home and in your life. I hope that this has helped you to understand my program. I personally think that it's easy to understand once you get started. But if you need any help, please feel free to email me and I will help you the best that I can. If you like this video, would you please give me a big thumbs up? It lets YouTube know that my content is helpful. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. I'll see you again in Sunday's video. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.